Innovation in trucking is changing the game. Smarter, safer, and tougher ways to haul massive loads are already here. And here's where it gets wild. The Faymonville TimberMax isn't your ordinary flatbed. This beast is built for the forest, where roads are barely more than trails, and every load is a challenge. Operators can swap between 2 or 3 axles, depending on the weight, giving it insane flexibility. The pneumatic suspension smooths out even the roughest terrain, so every bump and rock feels less like punishment and more like precision engineering. Then there's the bogie system. It keeps the trailer stable through sharp turns, which is a lifesaver when threading through narrow woodland paths. Telescopic sections let it stretch or shrink to match any log size, and you can mount cranes or stanchions wherever you need. TimberMax isn't just a trailer, it's a full-on forestry powerhouse. And just when you thought trucks couldn't get any smarter, meet the TireMax Pro Advantage. This system keeps every tire in check automatically, adjusting pressure depending on load, terrain, or even the heat of the day. No more worrying about underinflated tires causing wear or overinflated ones bursting under pressure. It's especially clutch for dual tire setups, where mismatched pressures can turn a routine drive into a nightmare. What's clever is its simplicity, mostly mechanical, minimal electronics, less to break, less maintenance. Every wheel stays balanced, the ride stays smooth, and efficiency goes through the roof. Imagine rolling across hundreds of miles knowing your tires are handling themselves perfectly. This part blew my mind. The Cremaro Tarpal is like having a personal assistant for your flatbed. The cover glides along smart tracks on the deck edges, letting you move it anywhere you need. Loading oversized pipes, logs, or containers suddenly becomes quick and effortless. No climbing on top, no wrestling with tarps. In under 2 minutes, you can open or close it entirely from the ground. And it's not just about speed, it keeps your cargo dry and secure, even in bad weather. Anchoring systems fit snugly, and custom options let operators adapt to any load. It's clever, it's practical, and it completely changes how you handle a flatbed. But wait, safety just hit a new level. DAF's driver. Assistant systems are basically an extra pair of eyes for every truck. Radar, cameras, and sensors monitor everything around you, from pedestrians stepping off the curb to cars lurking in blind spots. Emergency braking kicks in if the driver misses something, side and turn assist make lane changes safer, and lane departure warnings prevent drifting into trouble. Add speed limit recognition, drowsiness detection, and even prep for alcohol interlocks, and you've got a system that keeps both the driver and everyone else on the road safer. Reversing cameras and crash protective cabs seal the deal. It's proactive, not reactive, like a guardian angel for big rigs. And here's the future on the highway. Siemens eHighway pantographs turn hybrid trucks into rolling electric machines. The pantograph connects to overhead power lines, giving emission-free travel on electrified stretches. When the road ends, it seamlessly switches to hybrid drive without slowing down or messing with traffic. Even at highway speeds, up to 90 kilometers per hour, it connects and disconnects automatically, and small steering corrections won't break contact. The system also feeds power back through regenerative braking, making energy use smarter and greener. It's a glimpse of a cleaner, more efficient freight future. Imagine long hauls without burning fuel on every stretch. It's quiet, efficient, and straight up revolutionary. And here's a machine that makes container handling look effortless. The Hammer 110. This side loader trailer can lift a jaw-dropping 36 tons, but what really sets it apart is the double action support leg system. In step-over mode, the legs stretch out over other chassis or rail wagons for precise transfers. While in sledge mode, they stay compact for quick ground-level work in tight spaces. Operators can choose from multiple chassis configurations, including fixed, telescopic, or truck-mounted options, adapting perfectly to any container size or stacking need. With robust hydraulics and precise controls, it feels like the trailer anticipates every move, keeping operations smooth and safe. Imagine watching this thing in action. Containers that would normally take minutes to load are lifted and secured almost instantly, and every maneuver looks controlled and deliberate. This part blew my mind. The Harsh HH26 is a heavy-duty hook loader built like a tank. It can lift to 26 tons with ease, and the low center of gravity Z-frame chassis keeps it rock solid during lifting, tipping, or transport. Quick loading and unloading cycles mean it doesn't waste a second, perfect for operations where speed matters. Safety hasn't been compromised either. Hydraulic locking cams, mechanical rear locks, and advanced operator controls make sure every container stays exactly where it's supposed to. The modular and width-adjustable sheeting system adds flexibility for various loads, while a high-speed version can maintain full lifting strength and slash cycle times. Watching the HH26 in action, it's hard not to admire the combination of raw power, precise engineering, and operator-friendly design. This isn't just a loader, it's an efficient beast for heavy transport. And now here's something designed for the concrete jungle. Literally, the NT Group flat loader is tailored for precast concrete transport, and it handles some of the heaviest loads with finesse. Its advanced scissor suspension, combined with a double wishbone layout, allows hydraulic lifting and lowering, keeping the load stable even on uneven terrain. 4 adjustable hydraulic stabilizer arms clamp the load firmly, while guide slides prevent any shifting, and the rear hydraulic beam ensures both the load and trailer frame are locked securely before moving. With a massive 34,000 kilogram capacity and options for remote or in-cab controls, operators can maneuver massive concrete elements safely and efficiently. Watching one in action is almost hypnotic. The way it lifts, stabilizes, and moves enormous loads feels precise, almost graceful, despite the raw weight it carries. It's engineering poetry on wheels. And here's a truck that's basically rewriting the rules. The Hyliion ERX Hypertruck. This Class 8 beast combines electric propulsion with an onboard natural gas generator, giving it a pure electric range of 75 miles and a total range of up to 1,000 miles without long stops. It glides quietly through city streets, emission-free, and then effortlessly switches to hybrid mode for long hauls. Refueling is practical at existing natural gas stations, so fleets don't get stuck waiting for chargers. What's insane is the potential for near zero or even net negative emissions, making it more than just a truck. It's a vision of sustainable heavy transport. Imagine seeing one roll past in total silence while doing more than any normal rig could. And this next one is a lifesaver for urban jobs. The Palfinger Skip Loader ST14. With a 14-ton lifting capacity, it's strong enough for serious work, but compact enough to fit in tight city streets. The telescopic arms, spaced asymmetrically, make it easy to grab misaligned skips without wasting time repositioning. Operators can choose between the SLD line for core reliability or the Tech line for enhanced safety, comfort, and performance. Optional features like remote control, telematics connectivity, and silent mode make it even smarter and quieter in dense urban areas. Watching this thing pick up a skip feels effortless. Precision, strength, and practicality all rolled into one neat, operator-friendly machine. And this part blew my mind. The Nappen lift axle system changes how moving floor trailers handle weight. Instead of a fixed wheel setup, the axle can lift or lower automatically, manually, or from the cab, depending on load and road conditions. Lifting the axle reduces rolling resistance and tire wear when carrying lighter loads, while lowering it spreads weight evenly under heavy loads. It also enhances traction by shifting weight onto the tractor's drive axle, perfect for steep or slippery terrain. Rear lift axles improve maneuverability in tight areas. Essentially, it's a smart system that optimizes grip, stability, tire life, and control, making every journey smoother and safer. It's simple yet genius engineering at work. And this one's built for heavy-duty precision. The Hammer Cable Drum Trailer. It's a side loader designed to lift massive cable drums without external cranes. The U-shaped low trailer bed keeps everything stable, while hydraulic stabilizers and adjustable supports lock load securely. It can even handle 20-foot containers up to 35 tons. Wireless remote operation lets a single operator control the entire process safely, cutting down the need for extra equipment or climbing around the load. Efficiency and safety rolled into one. Safety just got smarter with the Seeing Machines Guardian. This driver monitoring system detects fatigue, distraction, and micro-sleeps in real time, giving alerts through audio, visual, or vibration cues. It doesn't just stop there. Guardian Live connects to the cloud, giving fleet managers detailed analytics and risk reports to prevent incidents before they happen. Imagine having a system that watches out for your drivers, even when you can't, turning safety into a proactive, intelligent operation. Here's a small but genius innovation: the Nap-In Floor Protection Sheet. It shields moving floor trailers from wear, debris, and moisture, extending the life of every load. Choose between a detachable sheet or an automatic roll-up version for quick deployment. Both designs are easy to use, preserving the trailer's mechanism while keeping operations smooth. It's one of those simple ideas that solves a constant problem, making everyday trucking smarter and more reliable without adding complexity. These inventions aren't just tools. They're engineering breakthroughs transforming the trucking world. From safety to efficiency to sustainability, each one shows how smart design can change everything. Imagine what the future holds. So, what's your take? Drop it in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. There's way more coming your way.